Welcome, in front of me is an Honor 400 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen, and then in this area swipe down again, which will reveal a bunch of toggles. We're obviously looking for the power saving mode, so it should be added by default somewhere. For me, it's right over here. When you see it, you can simply tap on it. It brings up this window right here, letting you know that it will turn on dark mode, turn off always on display, auto sync, and beauty, restricts background activity, and reduces visual effects. Now, I recommend checking this box right here so this pop-up doesn't show up ever again when you enable your power saving mode, and click on enable. And you can see it turns on the dark mode. You also have this little leaf in your batteries to signify that it is right now saving power. And once you're done needing it, using it, you can just find the toggle once again, tap on it once more, and this will automatically revert all the changes. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.